How to merge two binary numbers into a ternary number. I have two binary integers, x0 and x1 that are 8 bits, so they span from 0 to 255. This statement is always true about these numbers, x0 and x1 equals 0. Here is an example. So I need to do the following operation on these numbers. First, interpret these binary representations as ternary base 3 numbers as follows. Then, swap all of the 1 in the ternary representation of tx1 to 2. Then use a ternary version of O on them to get the final combined number. I don't need the ternary representation saved at any point, I only need the result, where for example result equals 5357. Of course I could code this by converting the numbers to binary, converting to ternary, etc. But I need this operation to be fast because I am doing this many times in my code. What would a fast way to implement this in Python?
The fastest way to do this is probably with decimal addition. You won't find ternary-wise operators in Python, or any other language that I know of. Since you need to go above bitwise operations, your next fastest option is integer addition, which every computer on Earth is optimized to complete. Other solutions that convert to ternary to get this done will require you to cast back and forth to strings, which takes much longer than decimal addition. This only requires one string cast at the end, assuming you even need the decimal version of the final ternary number.
Re-explanation for dummies like me. A straightforward way to encode two binary mutually exclusive numbers, W and B equals 0, in ternary would be. Here are all possible 2-bit variants.
Before I sort it out, isn't your line adequate?